Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about something I've been using to remove like unwanted facial hair. So there's a couple of brands I've tried in the past, like Sally Hansen and stuff, but they're really great. I just feel like it wasn't like really removing all the hair lately, so I wanted to try something different, and I've been really happy with this product. So this is Nads facial hair removal cream for delicate facial areas with an angled tip for easy application. Nads has been around for a while. This is a gentle facial formula with skin softening almond and soothing calendula oil with easy precision application, and you have results in 4 minutes. So I find that like with Sally Hansen, I was having to leave the product on like a little bit longer than, I think it said 4 or 5 minutes on the box, and like I would really have to leave it on for like 8 minutes. This like really works in 4 minutes, and it leaves your skin feeling soft. And I actually don't like over leave it on your, I accidentally left it on my skin for like 11 minutes, and it ended up like just getting really, my skin ended up getting like really red. So don't do that. use it for 4 minutes. And then it comes with a bonus soothing face balm. And this is a 28-gram container or 0.99 ounces. It's flipped to the side. So this says Nads Facial Hair Removal Cream, a pain-free cream that dissolves hair in minutes, leaving skin silky smooth. The only thing is that this does not last as long as like say a waxing or threading would, because it's not removing the hair from the root. It's kind of just like dissolving the hair and then wiping it, kind of similar to like what shaving does, but a better version of shaving. So it doesn't remove from the root. So it won't last you as long as like waxing or tweezing would. So the ingredients in the hair removal cream are aqua, water, cetyl alcohol, potassium thioglycolate, paraffinum liquid, mineral oil, glycerin, cedarith 20, thymithicone, calcium hydroxide, glycerin stearate, calendula, phenolus flower oil, prunus amygdalus sulcus, sweet almond oil. Sorry, some of these are tough to pronounce. Tocopherol, acetate, acrylates, coprimer, perfume, fragrance, ingredients, moisture, in the moisture and soothing face balm. I'm not even gonna like bore you with all these words, but you guys can kind of see, good to look and see what's in it to make sure you're not allergic to anything. It's just aqua, water, glycerin, shea butter, makes the skin really soft, perfume, fragrance, so on and so forth, citric acid. And then nads.com for talks, tips, and promos. And you could find them on facebook.com/nads as well. And then they have demo videos on YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook. Okay, so on the back it says easy to use, smooth cream on using the angled tip head to completely cover hair with a thick, even layer. Do not rub in. Leave cream on the area to be treated for at least 4 minutes. Using a soft cloth, test a small area for hair removal. If hair does not come away easily, leave the cream on a few more minutes without exceeding 10 minutes in total. Wipe cream and hair away using a soft cloth or tissue. I just use like the Viva paper towels because they're soft like cloth. Thoroughly rinse treated area with water and gently dry. Finish with moisture and soothing face balm to relieve skin. Clean tube tip with soft cloth, ensuring all traces of cream have been removed, then replace cap after cleaning. Max 10 minutes to leave on. Kind of shows you how to use it. Just put it on with the angled tip. And then let me show you it, guys, actually. Let me open this for you. Okay, so as you can see here, like this has the angled tip. I squeeze a little bit out to kind of show you guys like what's going on here. Ooh, dropped it. It's actually it's like a different formula, and I feel like it has like less of a harsh scent than some other creams I've used. Like, I'm gonna wipe this off. Like the Sally Hansen and like that stuff. I feel like it has like a little bit of better smell. Not that they have much of a smell, but I don't know, I think this is like a little bit less. And then I think the angled tip is good with like, it's easier to put on than having to like put it on and like smooth it over your skin. And just be careful like too, like don't get it on your clothes, because like, I don't know, I feel like there's some, I don't know if it's like bleach or whatever, but it turned some of my towels, like my gray towels have like pink spots from this. So just be careful, like don't get it on your clothes or like towels or anything. Not that it stains like super easily or anything like that, but just precaution. And like you could see, like it's like a white, you know, it was like a white thick formula. easy to put on, easy to, you know, to smooth. I recommend this for people, like, I know, you know, when I was young and my mom first started showing me to like remove facial hair and stuff, she used this with me. So I think this is good for like preteens and stuff like that, rather than waxing, because, you know, waxing could be painful, especially like the first time. So I think this is a good like introduction to, you know, having to remove hair and things like that. And then if you, of course, if you have like thick hair, like thick coarse hair, it's not going to work with this. This is more for like thin hair. So just make sure you're just really using it on like the facial areas. So guys, this is, oh, and another thing I wanted to bring up too, if you are in the process of getting laser hair removal, you could use this instead of shaving, because they tell you if you're getting laser hair removal, do not remove from the root. So you could either shave or use this. I recommend using this. So yeah, I just wanted to add that in there. So guys, this was Nads facial cream. I'm sorry, facial hair removal cream for delicate facial areas. I hope you guys try out the product and I hope you love it.